Hello. 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 Hello, my dear friends. Is the video and audio is clear? Actually, due to some technical issue and this current issue, now it has gone. Yes, okay, done. No, no. Okay. Now, shall. Now we'll start the class. Now we can see. Now we can see here. Now we can see. Now, are you able to see the question? Nana, I cannot say like that, but it is revision. That's it. It is the revision type. It is only the revision. It is purely revision type. Hmm. Now, I hope now what is the answer? Can anyone say the answer for this one? For this question? Because you are preparing now itself. Okay, it will be helpful for you. Don't worry. It will be helpful for you only. Tomorrow's exam, it will be helpful for you. Now what is the answer for this one? Can anyone? Can anyone say me the answer for this one? Answer is A. One is saying B, one is saying A. One is saying A, one is saying B. One is saying A, one is saying B. So fix the answer and say me. Resonance. Here there is no any resonance chance. Here there is no any resonance. Here there is no any resonance. Any other? Anyone say me the answer? Phenyl carbanion is not stable. No sir. Yes, the answer is A. Here the answer is A. Yeah. Here there is no any resonance. Here there is no any resonance. Here there is no any resonance chance, it is there. Okay. Now next one. Next question. Radical. He has given the radical. Actually, I was getting some issues over there while checking the chats. So that's what I was checking in my phone. Okay, you can give now. Right, now everything is clear. Yes. Now what is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Question का आंसर तेलीदा अय्या why radical, right? Radical. I will wait. Try to give the radical stability order. Radical stability order. Radical stability order. B think, sir. No think. Direct answer only. Correct answer you have to say. No think. Answer is B. Right. Answer is B. Here, why the answer is B? Because here the alpha hydrogen, 3 alpha hydrogen and resonance. Because alpha hydrogen as well as we know, right? Allyl radicals are more stable. This is allyl carbon, and we are having the alpha hydrogens as well as the benzene resonance. Clear? Next one we are having the 3 because this is allyl plus benzene. Next one, here we are having the which one? 2 alpha and benzene. Only the which one? Only the benzene. So the answer is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1 is the answer. Is it clear, anyone? Any confusion still? Still you are getting any confusion? Clear, right? No. Stability increasing order. Increasing order of this one. What is the increasing order of? Which one is more stable? Which one is more stable? Answer is A. Answer is A. Answer is A. Why A? How you are saying, Pranit? How you are saying that answer is A? How you can justify the answer is A? How you are saying that answer is A? On what basis you are saying the answer is A? Alpha hydrogens, yes. More the alpha hydrogens, more the stability of the alkene. Here the total 9 alpha hydrogens. Clear? Here the 6 alpha hydrogens. Now here the 6 alpha hydrogens. here the 12 alpha hydrogens, but here the 1 and 3, among the 1 and 3, see, here the 1 and 3 are having the 6 alpha hydrogens. Then how you will justify? How you are saying the answer is A? Why you have choose the A, 1 is last and 3 is, 1 is least and 3 is more? Because both are having the same alpha hydrogens. You can see this is a alkene and the alpha hydrogens are same. Here the alpha hydrogens are same. You can cross check both the cases, alpha hydrogens are same. Here the 6 alpha hydrogens we are having. Here also 6 alpha hydrogens we are having. Then why you are saying the 3 is more greater than 1? On what basis you are decided this one and you have said the answer is 1? Hi Sunny, hi. 2 degree. Sir, Rudra, wherever the drawbacks you have got, once you cross check, which chapter you are facing the problem and which questions you are not able to do, that you just once you write it and realize from you. Okay, once this question sections come, I will talk with you. Rudra, once we finish these questions and I will, whatever the doubts you are having, I will clarify you at the end of this live. Okay, still that time, whatever the doubts you are having, try to solve the questions which I brought, because these questions are very, very important. No, actually, if this pi bond, if it has shifted here, what we are getting? One, we are getting the 2 degree carbocation as well as a 2 degree carbocation. In the one, we are getting the, if this pi bond, if it is undergo the electrophilic addition reaction also, this is getting the 2 degree carbanion, this is getting the 2 degree carbocation. But in this case, if I move this carbocation, this alkene, if it is, or this pi bond, if I move to here, this will get the 1 degree carbanion and this will get the 2 degree carbocation. That's the reason 3 is more stable than the 1. Rudra, I can, because if I want to give you the like what are the drawbacks you have made it in the which one in your advanced or mains, that what to rectify, how to prepare the chemistry, and what are the books to refer and what are the questions to refer, where you have to become strengthened, that I will explain in the last, Nana. Rudra, okay, because these are the some questions I am having. First let us complete this one. First let us complete this one. First let us complete our question section. At the last, whatever the doubts you are having, that we will discuss at the last. Okay, first let me finish this question section. Okay, done. Right, next question. Steric inhibition resonance takes place in which of the following? Steric inhibition resonance will take place in which of the following? Steric inhibition resonance will take place in which of the following? Steric inhibition resonance will take place in which of the following? Steric inhibition resonance will take place in which of the following? Steric inhibition will take place in which of the following? No. Once you cross check, Pranit, once you cross check. Steric inhibition will take place in which of the following? Only A. Only in the A steric inhibition resonance will be happened, because here due to the already here the CH3 and due to this methyl, only the answer is D. Only in the A steric inhibition resonance will be takes place. Option D. Option is D. Only according to this compound steric inhibition will be exhibited by only A, not A and B. Here it will not exhibit. There is no any steric inhibition will be exhibited in the which one, in the aniline. Only in the A compound the steric inhibition will be happened. Only answer is D. Now this is a match the following. Now match the following. Now try to give the answer. Multi-correct, Nana. This is multi-correct. My dear Captain America, I can explain whatever the doubts you are having that after the live. Okay? Let live finish, because these questions are very, very useful for us for your tomorrow's exam. So now try to solve this question first. A, P and S. A, P and S. A, P and S. A is P and S you are saying. A is P and S you are saying. B is R. Okay. B you are saying it is R. Okay. Then A you are saying it as a P and S you are saying. P in some cases it will be behave as a minus M also. P, Nana, in the A will behave with a plus M, A will behave with the minus M, A will behave as a minus I. Okay. Then when it comes to the B, it is plus H. When it comes to the B, plus H. And C P and S. C is P and S. Good. P and S. Good. P and S. Then after that, and D is S. D, Q and S. Yes, D, Q and S. D, Q and S. D is Q and S. So for the A, options are P, Q and S. For the B, option is only R. Now for the C, options are P and S. For the D, options are Q and S. Options are Q and S. Yes, done. Clear. Now justify the answer for this one. Justify the answer for this one. Now arrange the following question This is also multi-correct. This is also multi-correct. This is also multi-correct. Rudra, I know. Actually, I will see. Rudra, I will help you in the chemistry how to overcome and what are the mistakes you have did. That I will help you. What are the drawbacks or what are the mistakes have to be clear for your JEE mains as well as the advanced. But in the middle of the session, I cannot give you properly because actually I brought the n number of questions. Let me finish this question section. Once if this question section done, obviously I will help you. I am here to help you only. Okay, I will help you in the chemistry, and this time whenever if you write the JEE mains, obviously if you will follow the lectures of mine and the whatever the questions and whatever the lectures I was giving and whatever the motivation I was giving, if you follow, obviously you will score above 95 to 99 and the 100 percentile also if you are serious. But I will say you what are the precautions or what are the tips to follow at the end of this lecture. Wait up to that time. Now, A is Q and S. A is Q and S. Good. A is Q as well as S. Done. B is A and S. B is A and S. B option. Option A is Q and S is correct. Okay. Then option B. Option B A and S. And option B. Option B. Option B. Anyone said? Option B. Option B. Option A is Q and S. Okay. Option B is P and S. Good, good. Option B is P and S, Nana. Option B, aromatic and cyclic structure, P and S. Good. Option C. Option C is also P and S. Good. Option C is also P as well as S. Option D. Option B is P and S. Okay. P and S. Option D. Option D. Option D. I need the answer. Option D. C is aromatic because here 6 pi electrons are there. 6 pi electrons all are the sp2 and pi conjugation it is there. So P and as well as the cyclic structure. Option D. Option D. Option D is only S. Option D is S. Captain America 1 you are missing. S is correct but 1 is you are missing. What is the option D? Option D. Option D. Option D is R and S. Good. It is anti-aromatic as well as a cyclic. Anti-aromatic as well as a cyclic. Done. Clear? Now for this one it is a Q and a S. For this one P and a S. Now for this one P and a S. For this one R and S. R and S. Acidic strength. Acidic strength. These are, we are having the two questions in it. Acidic strength order. Acidic strength order in the first one. Acidic strength order in the first one and the acidic strength order in the second one. But in the fourth one it is having the plus charge, right? 4 pi electrons, all are sp. Total we are having the 4 pi electrons. 4 pi electrons are anti-aromatic, right? Answer is A, B, C, D. A greater than, B greater than, C greater than D. A greater than, B greater than, C greater than D. A greater than, B greater than, C greater than D. A greater than, B greater than, C greater than D. Here A is more acidic because here the strong, which group is attached here? Here this is a strong minus I group is attached. Then here the minus I compared to the NO2, F is less. Then we are having the phenyl. Okay. Then here we are having the ethyl. Clear? So 1 greater than, A greater than, B greater than, C greater than D. Because here we are having the sp2, SS. Good, good. In the second one, what is the answer? In the second one, what is the answer? A greater than, B greater than, C. In the second one, what is the answer? Second one, what is the answer? Second one, what is the answer? T is least. A, B, C. Yes. Because inductive effect is nearer. Inductive effect. A greater than, B greater than, C. So A greater than, B greater than, C. A greater than, B greater than, C. Good. No, no. Oh, yes. A greater than, B greater than, C. Because inductive effect is nearer. Inductive effect of the fluorine is nearer. Next. Which of the following would you predict to be the stronger acid? Among the A and B, in the first one among the A and B, which one you would predict? Which one you would predict? Among the A and B, which one you would predict? Which one is a stronger acid? Which one is a stronger acid? Benzoic acid, para-nitrobenzoic acid. Among the 1 and 2, in the first one, in the A, among the 1 and 2, which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? 2, because para-nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than the normal benzoic acid. In the second one, in the second one, in the second one, in the second one, in the B1, 1 and 2, among the 1 and 2, in the B1 among the 1 and 2, in the B1 among the 1 and 2, the B1, 2 again, good, 2 again, among the 1 and 2, 2 is good. Among the C, among the 1 and 2, among the 1 and 2, in the C among the 1 and 2. Sir, how? This is, which one how? Prakash? Prakash, which one you are asking? Which one you are asking? Sir, how in which one you are asking? For which question you are asking? In the A1 or B1? Which one? A. A simple. A is simple. This is benzoic acid. This is a benzoic acid. Now this is a para-nitrobenzoic acid. This is a para-nitrobenzoic acid. Para-nitrobenzoic acid, due to the presence of plus M, this its conjugate base will be stabilized very fastly. Now in the C, which one is more major? 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 Again 2. Good. Again 1 greater than 2, because here the oxygen, if it is given, this negative charge is stabilizing by the allyl position of this, which one? This allyl position, we are having the carbons, right? So it is more stabilized. Next. No. Next. Now basic strength. Now basic strength of the, among the 1, 2, 3, 4 order, basic strength order. 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 What is the basic strength order for this one? What is the basic strength? How to check? Oh, nothing. No. Reverse of acidic, but it is somewhat clear. Now basic strength will be given. Check the conjugate acid. Conjugate acid means positive charge. Here only one thing. Now this nitrogen lone pair of electron has been given to the solution very fastly. Then the nitrogen will get it's a positive charge in this manner. Then this is a conjugate acid of its base. Conjugate acid of the base will be stabilized by which one? Electron releasing groups. Electron releasing groups. This conjugate acid will be stabilized by the which one? Electron releasing group. Okay, Nana Prakash, if you follow my lectures regularly, I will guide you to get a very good marks in your upcoming your JEE or any, if you are preparing for any entrance exam, either a JEE or NEET. I will stay in Hyderabad itself, Captain America. I stay in Rampalli. Okay, good. Better you just click the bell icon so that whenever I start the live, you will get the information. What is the answer? I don't know. Someone is from our college only, I am thinking. Now what is the option? What is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this one? My dear friend, I was not here to, once again I am saying, my motto is to be just to give you the high quality of the education, and I want to make your life easy in the chemistry, because many of the students, they will face very much difficulty in the chemistry, because the chemistry is a very dry subject. I know many exceptions, many concepts will not be interlinked with one and another. So for that case only, to clear your whatever the misconceptions you are having, for that only I was doing, but I was not doing anything. Even though here also I was giving my personal time just to make you 100% and to get the good marks in your entrance. but I was for this 4K subscribes and all, it will not give because I was working. My institution is also paying good to me. I was not need any money and I was not need any fame. Just your happiness. Once if you score the good marks in the chemistry, just the smile on your face will give you the lakhs of money for me. That is enough. I don't need any fame or anything. Okay, for that one, thank you. Now the answer is, now electron releasing group will be stabilize the conjugate acid for this one. Now the answer is C greater than, D greater than, B greater than A. This is the order. This is meta position, right? Meta position, only the minus I. So conjugate acid of base is stabilized by plus I groups. Okay, if any plus I groups are there, it will stabilize the basic strength. So this is the order. C greater than, D greater than A. This is the order. Clear? Now, next. Every chapters once if it is completed, see Balakrishna, next I am going to start the alloalkene allurin because hydrocarbons done, GOC done. So GOC hydrocarbon PYQs done. Next alloalkenes. Sunday again alloalkene allurins PYQs. Next week totally I will do the alcohols phenols ethers and Sunday alcohols phenols ethers PYQs. Every Sunday PYQs. Total week lecture. Total week will be the lecture and Sunday PYQs. But this is strong minus I. Among the NH3 plus and the chlorine, the minus I effect is high for the NH3 plus because more electronegative atom bearing the positive charge is very unstable. So that's the reason it will pull the bond pair of electron itself than the chlorine. So the answer will be CDBA. CDBA. Okay? Is it clear? The basic strength is clear? Shall we move to the next question? Nana will do the next question. Will move. This is very important. Now try to cross check the options clearly and give me the answer. Total week lectures and Sunday PYQs. Okay, what I will do, in the community post, daily in the morning in the community post, I will give you the schedule, because if not I will schedule the live. When I am going to start the class, I will schedule the live daily. Instead of making the I will make the timetable. And I will post it in that community post, or in the post I will post that timetable, or else just I will schedule the live. No, not answer is no. 3 members they have given the answer, 3 members they have said the wrong. Answer is 4. And here in the aniline, this lone pair of electrons will be participated in the resonance. Due to that, its basic strength will be decreased. Okay. Now, next in this case, aniline, here the lone pair of electrons will be participated in the delocalization. Okay, but here even though it is having the plus I, it is participating in the delocalization. But here the steric inhibition will be there. For the aniline, here the steric inhibition will be there. Due to that steric inhibition, 3 is last. 3 is last. But here this aniline lone pair of electrons will be given to the any electron deficient very fastly, and here it is having the plus side. Here it is having the plus side. So fourth is the more basic, and if they ask the order, 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 1 greater than 3. Order is 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 1 greater than 3. Clear? And 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 1 greater than 3. If you are having any doubt, I mean like this, when this plus charge got, when this aniline, when it got the plus charge, this vacant orbital of this nitrogen and this CH3 will be repelled to each other. Due to that one, what it will happen, aniline it will lost its planarity. Aniline it will lost its planarity. Okay? Done. Clear? Now, for the basic strength, I will take the one separate lecture. For the acidic strength and the basic strength, separate lecture I will take. Okay, one day I will take the lectures and I will clear with n number of examples. Next we'll move to the isomerism questions. He is asking which of the following is a Z isomer? Which of the following is a Z isomer? Try to give the answers fastly. Try to give the answers fastly. Which of the following is Z isomers? Because we have to do the hydrocarbons questions also. Hydrocarbons questions kuda unnai. So hydrocarbons questions kuda cheyali. Try to give the answers fastly. Answer is A. Answer is A. Now here the Z means if the high priority groups same side, Z. Clear? Here the among the bromine and the chlorine, bromine is high priority. Now the chlorine, here the methyl among the iodine, it is flip. So this is Z. Here it is a 2, here it is a 1. Here it is a 1 and here it is a 2. This is E. Now here it is a 1, here it is a 2. Now here it is a 2, here it is a 1. This is E. So answer is A. Now here it is a 1, now here it is a 2. Now here it is a 2, now here it is a 1. So this is E. So the answer is A. Which of the following is having the lowest dipole moment? Which of the following is having the lowest dipole moment? Which of the following is having the lowest dipole moment? Which of the following will having the lowest dipole moment? Okay, నేను డైలీ లైవ్ షెడ్యూల్ చేసి పెడతారన్నా. ఓకే, ఇనిషియల్లీ ఐ వాస్ న్యూ టు ద యూట్యూబ్ రైట్. నాకు ఇలా లైవ్ షెడ్యూల్ ఎలా చేయాలి ఒక్కొక్కసారి మిస్ మ్యాచ్ అయింది అనమాట. సో అందుకనే ఐ వాస్ గివింగ్ ద టైమ్ అండ్ ఐ వాస్ స్టార్టింగ్. ఈ కాడి నుంచి నేను ఐ విల్ ఎస్ ఆయుష్ హాయ్ now which of the following is having the lowest dipole moment? B is having the lowest dipole moment because this is a trans. Here cyanide is the more electronegative, even though if it is having its dipole moment will be towards the cyanide because this is sp carbon and the remaining are the cis. Okay, done. Next, increasing order of the stability among the three main conformers. Which conformer is more stable for the 2-fluoroethanol? 2-fluoroethanol, which conformer is more stable? For the 2-fluoroethanol, which conformer is more stable? increasing order of stability among the three main conformers of 2-fluoroethanol. For the 2-fluoroethanol, for the 2-fluoroethanol, answer is B. Gauchy, anti and eclipse. Good. B. B is the answer. Good. Because 2-fluoroethanol, right? This is 2-fluoroethanol. Now in the 2-fluoroethanol, now one carbon if I take, if I take this as a CH, now here it is hydrogen, now here it is a OH, now with the H, and here it is the H. Now it is a fluorine, now this is a H, and this is a H. Now this is a what? Gauchy position. Now Gauchy position, it is a more stable. Gauchy position due to the hydrogen bonding, it is more stable. First Gauchy, next anti, Gauchy, anti, next eclipsed. Gauchy, anti, eclipse. So answer is B. B only, B only. Don't worry, B only. Dipole moment is shown by which of the following compound will show the dipole moment? Which of the following compound will show the dipole moment? I explained, right? I explained, right? Here it is there. Ayush, I explained the structure. Due to the hydrogen bonding. Due to the hydrogen bonding, Gauchy is stable. Dipole moment is shown by answer is B. Now the trans 2, 3 dichloro but 2-ene is saying 2, 3 dichloro CH3 and this is dichloro. Okay. Now second one, B is which one? Benzene 1, 2 dichloro. Fourth one 1, 4 dichloro. Next one is a trans 1, 2 dinitroethene. This is dinitroethene. So the answer is B. Answer is B. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene is having the dipole moment. Other than here the dipole moment is 0, here the dipole moment is 0, here the dipole moment is 0. Done? Next. Now you say me the answer. Now the hydrocarbon questions are started. Now hydrocarbons max to max, all max to max conversion questions only. I mean, because in the less time we have to cover all the alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Okay, alkanes, alkenes, and the alkynes, and the aromatic hydrocarbons, aromatic electrophilic substitution questions I did not brought. Once if we are having a time, I mean like if you want me to give, I will give. Done. Now what is the answer for this one? Now say me the answer for this one. What is the answer for this one? 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 Stream will end. That's what I'm thinking, Nana. I want to end it by 10 10 or like that. 10 10 or 10 15 I want to end. B, sir. Answer is B. You are saying is answer is B. But not the 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 answer is B. C. Good, good. Both the cases C, because this one is a good living group. Here hydrogen and here it is a CH3. Now here it is a phenyl. Now here this is carbon, it contains 3 hydrogens. Now this hydrogen, when it is comes and this oxygen, it will take this bond pair of electron, and this bond pair of electron on this oxygen, it is stabilizing by the resonance. It will be the good living group. So in the both the cases, option is no. O will be eliminated. Yes, good, good, good. O will be eliminated because here this is a good living group, because it will be eliminated and it is stable due to the resonance. So in the both the cases, answer is C. Now next one. Very important and important concept and the interesting question also. Anti-Markovnikov of addition of HBr is not observed in which of the following anti-Markovnikov of addition of HBr is not observed? What is the answer? He is asking in which of the following anti-Markovnikov rule of the HBr is not allowed. It will be not observed. Yes, butadiene. In the butadiene is a symmetrical. Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule to give Markovnikov rule to the anti-Markovnikov rule to give. First, what it should have? It should have the what? Asymmetrical alkene. Asymmetrical alkene is a first priority to show the Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. So the butadiene is a symmetrical. Butadiene will not show the Markovnikov rule and the anti-Markovnikov rule as well. Both it will not show. Clear? Answer is B. Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, it will not be shown by the which one? HBr. Done. Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Next one. In the ionic reaction of hydrochloric acid, which of the following predict the correct sequence? Okay, what is asking? In the ionic reaction of the hydrochloric acid, which of the following alkenes are predict correct? Which of the following will readily undergoes HCl upon following alkanes? Which of the following alkene will readily undergo? Which of the following alkene will readily undergo? Which of the following alkene readily undergo? And what is the answer? Which of the following alkene will readily undergo with the which one? with the given in the given alkenes, which of the following will readily undergo reaction with the HCl? తెలిస్తే చెప్పండి అన్న, తెలియకపోతే క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఇవ్వండి. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ. నో, నాట్ ఏ. నాట్ ఏ. నో, నాట్ ఏ. నాట్ ఏ. ఏమడుగుతున్నానా, ఇక్కడ ఆల్కిన్ ఇచ్చినాడు, ఈ ఆల్కిన్ ఇచ్చిండు అనుకో సపోజ్, ఈ ఆల్కిన్ కి హైడ్రోక్లోరిక్ యాసిడ్ HCl ఏది తొందరగా చేస్తుంది, ఏది తొందరగా చేస్తుంది అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇచ్చిన ఆల్కిన్స్లల్లా ఏ ఆల్కిన్ తొందరగా చేస్తుంది అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఆల్కిన్స్ విచ్ ఆల్కిన్స్ విల్ రెడీలీ డూ ద ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ అడిషన్ రియాక్షన్ ఫాస్ట్లీ. అయ్యో, ఏ చెప్పినారు, బి చెప్పినారు, సి. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ డి. నాట్ ఏ, నాట్ బి, నాట్ సి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సి దిస్ వన్ in the first one, in the B, this is a B, right? It is having the CH3. Now here it is a CH3. Here the carbocation is stable. Here the carbocation is stable. If this carbocation is stable, 2 will readily undergo. Then when it comes to the 1, here the C, here the Cl, here the H, here the double bond, here the H, here the H. Here it is having the minus I. Next, when it comes to the 3, here we are having the aldehyde functional group. But here in the C, you can see all are minus I, right? All are minus I. How the minus I groups, if it is present, rate of electrophilic addition will be decreased. As the minus I groups increases, rate of addition reaction will be decreased. Is it clear? Is it clear? He is asking rate of the reaction rate. As the rate of the reaction, electrophilic addition reaction rate is directly proportional to the which one? Electron releasing groups, and inversely proportional to the electron withdrawing groups. Is it clear? Answer is clear. Should I go to the next question? Now this is one conversion, one good conversion question. Now try to give the answer. This is one good conversion question. Try to give the answer. This is one good conversion question. Try to give the answer. C, good. Now here the 4-membered ring expansion will be happened to the 5-membered ring. After the 5-membered ring expansion, it will become the cyclopentene, and NBS will attack it will replace the allylic hydrogens. It will replace the allylic hydrogen and it will add the bromine. So answer is C. Good Nana, good. C, answer is C. H. Next one. One hydroboration and one it is a HgSO4 and the H2SO4. What are the products for the alkane? Yesterday I explained very clearly. This one I explained very clearly yesterday. Yesterday I explained very clearly. This one I explained, this reaction I explained with the mechanism yesterday. Once if you have missed, once you see the lecture, but try to give me the answer. HgSO4 upon H2SO4. What is the A and what is the B? What is the A and what is the B? If you know, say me the answer. If not, give me the question mark. If you know, say me the answer. If not, give me the question mark, Nana. I will say. తెలీదా? ఈ రియాక్షన్ ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి, బుక్ లో కూడా ఉంటది. Answer is B. Now HgSO4 and the H2SO4. Now it will give you the ketone and hydroboration upon the which one? But19. It will give you the aldehyde. Okay, answer is B. If suppose if they have given this one triple bond acetylene upon HgSO4 and H2SO4, if they ask, now the answer will be the aldehyde. Answer will be the aldehyde. Here what they have given? But19 they have given. But19, that it will be the what? Ketone it will give. Ketone and the aldehyde for this one. So this is very, very important. You have to be very careful with this one. Clear? Done? Now answer is B. Now say me the answer for this one. Now this is somewhat match the following. Reaction and the reactant and the product, major product, match the reaction and the reactant. Single correct only. Try to give the answer. Single correct only. First one is which reaction? First one is R. Good. That is hydroboration R. Okay. First one is R. Okay. Done. Next one. First one is R. Okay. Then next one. B. First one is R. Okay. B. Yes, oxymercuration only. Oxymercuration, demercuration. Yes, oxymercuration, demercuration only. B. Think the correct answer. B is yes, because oxymercuration, demercuration. Then next. C. Yes, correct only. B is yes, correct only. C. What is the answer? C is Q. Good. C is Q. Because this is a which reaction? C is Q. Which reaction? This is C. C which reaction? D bulky base. D, what is the answer? Yes, D is bulky base only. C E2 Nana. C is E2. C is E2, not E1. It is E2. Not E1. This is E2 elimination. This is E2 elimination. And this one will give you the P. D is P. Good. Clear? This is which one? Hydroboration. Now this is oxymercuration, demercuration. Now this is a dehydrohalogenation, and this is also dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation with the bulky base of mine product. Now dehydrohalogenation with the small base what sets of product. Done. Clear. Now oxymercuration, demercuration, anti-Markovnikov rule will be followed, and oxymercuration, demercuration, Markovnikov rule will be followed. Clear? Done. Next. Now this is also one good conversion. Now try to say me the answer. A, B, C. Predict the A, B, C. Predict the A, B, C. This is also one good conversion. Try to predict the answer. Try to predict the answer. This is also one good conversion. Try to predict the answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? A, B, C is asking. Hey, Kado. Praneeth. Kado. Om Puri. Om Puri. No, not D. Not D. Answer is not D. Answer is not D. Yeah. Here the more number of alpha hydrogens, right? More the number of alpha hydrogens, right? No. Methyl kuda చూడాలి నానా. For this alkene, this is having the 7 alpha hydrogens. For this one alkene, it is having only the 3 alpha hydrogens. Among the 7 alpha hydrogens and among the 3 alpha hydrogens, among the 7 alpha hydrogens and among the 3 alpha hydrogens, 7 alpha hydrogen one is more major. Naga Akshaya C asale నీకు C ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? Now listen. First one, what he has given? Now ketone you have given Grignard reagent MgBr and H3O plus. What is this is negative and this is positive, it will go and attack and it will go. Now what? It will directly, this is a OH and this is a CH3. This is A. Then after that concentrated H2SO4, what is the reaction? Dehydration reaction. No, chemistry is not tough. Nana space sprints. Chemistry is easy only. Now due to that here it will be eliminated. Now the hydrogen will be eliminated from here. Now that stabilized carbocation, here it will get the more number of alpha hydrogens. Then after that break the ozone. Here the CH3, here the C double bond, here the C double bond OH, here it is a aldehyde, here it is a ketone. Reductive ozonolysis, Zn they have given. Reductive ozonolysis, Zn they have given. Okay. Next one, this one. Next one. Next question. Alkyne with next one. Alkyne with the sodium NH3 and now what is the A and what is the B? What is the answer for this one? నువ్వు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ని ఎనీ టైం రాంగ్ చేసినా తెలుసా, ఇది ఆల్మోస్ట్ 10th టైం రాంగ్. ప్రణీత్, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడల్లా రాంగే చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు, ఎందుకంత తొందరపడుతున్నావు? ఏ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. నాకు తెలిసి ఒక 10 సార్లు తప్పు చేసి ఉండొచ్చు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ బర్చ్ రిడక్షన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ బర్చ్ రిడక్షన్. బర్చ్ రిడక్షన్ ఈజ్ ట్రాన్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ లిన్లార్డ్స్ క్యాటలిస్ట్. లిన్లార్డ్స్ క్యాటలిస్ట్ ఇస్ రైట్. ఎల్లయ్య, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. లేట్ జాయిన్ అయినావు క్లాస్కి. లేదు నాన్న, నో, నాట్ ఓంపురి, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సి. This is Birch reduction. Birch reduction, it is give trans. Linlard's catalyst will give cis. Answer is A. Answer is A. ఎగ్జామ్లో యూ విల్ థింక్ ఏమో ఎగ్జామ్లోనే ఇక్కడనే తప్పు చేస్తున్నావు, ఇంక ఎగ్జామ్లో ఏం చేస్తావో. ఓకే, నా నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ అవునా? ఓకే ఓకే. నౌ సెండ్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్. సరే సరే, ఇచ్చిపెట్టు అది ఇచ్చిపెట్టు, కానీ నౌ ట్రై టు సెండ్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? Multi-correct. This is multi-correct. This is multi-correct and multi-correct. This is multi-correct answer. Multi-correct, multi-correct. This is multi-correct answer. C4H6 upon H2PT, it will give C4H8. Then after that the ozonolysis. C4H8 upon ozonolysis. B and C. Kadu. Not B and C. Not B and C. Not B and C. Multi-correct. Nagakshaya, it is multi-correct. Okay, A is correct. A is correct. A is correct. Okay, fine. A is correct. Multi-correct. A is correct only. And again, any other options? Any other options? C. C ఇవ్వదు నాన్న, C ఇవ్వదు. సికి హైడ్రోజనేషన్ చేస్తే సైక్లిక్ రింగ్ అవుతుంది కదా, ఆల్కేన్ అయిపోతుంది కదా సి. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు దీనికి ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ద క్యాటలిటిక్ హైడ్రోజనేషన్ ఫర్ ద సి, ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఆల్కేన్. హౌ ద ఆల్కేన్ విల్ బి రియాక్ట్ విత్ ద ozonolysis? How the alkane will react with the ozonolysis, right? C will not give. Okay, with the C4H6 catalytic hydrogenation will be happened and it will give the alkane. How the ozone will react with the alkane? Ozone will not give the alkane. Answer is A and B. And this is which ozonolysis? Answer is A and B. But this is ozone in the presence of H2O. Which ozonolysis? This is which ozonolysis? Ozone in the presence of H2O. Which ozonolysis? Ozone and it is oxidative ozonolysis. Oxidative ozonolysis, aldehyde will be further oxidized to the carboxylic acid. Okay, done. So the answer is A and B. Now next. Next, match the following. See the match the following carefully and try to give the answer. See the match the following carefully and try to give the answer. See the match the following carefully and try to give the answer. Try to predict the reagent. 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 A is Q. A is Q. A is Q. B is P. A is Q. Okay. A is Q. B is P. Okay. Next. No, B is P only. No, A is Q, B is P only. B is P is correct. Sodium and the amine. This is Birch reduction. Birch reduction. It will give the trans-butene only. And this is a Lindlar's catalyst. C and D already alkane kada sir. Idi but 2 in ra. C is but 2 in. And convert, which one will convert into the but 19? Which one will convert into the but 19? Actually, somewhat it is missing. But 2 in. NaNH2. NaNH2. Sodium amide, it will readily abstract the. Actually, this was. Ante. Correct. Actually, this one should be in this manner. Actually, somewhat question mistake has happened. This two question mistake has happened. Okay, leave it. This is somewhat question mistake it has happened. Somewhat question mistake it has came. Okay. Leave it. Leave about this one. Equation leave J. Equation leave J. Okay. Next question will go. Which of the following reaction will yield 2,2 dibromopropane? Which of the following reaction will yield 2,2 dibromopropane? 2,2 dibromopropane. Which of the following reactions will yield 2,2 dibromopropane? Which of the following reaction will yield 2,2 dibromopropane? 1. Which of the following will yield 2,2 dibromopropane is 1. Because 2 moles, right? 2 moles will be here the Br and here the Br will be added. So option 1. Good. Next, which of the following reaction is, which of the following reaction is concentrated H2SO4 అడుగుతున్నాడు. Now what is the answer? Answer 1. Major product of the following reaction. Which is a major product of the following? Which is a major product for this following? Which is a major product for the following? Three. Three. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్రాస్ చెక్ చేయి. Once you cross check, Pranit. Once you cross check the reaction once again. Once you cross check. సార్ వన్ డౌట్ చెప్పునా ఏం డౌట్ రణిత్ ఏం డౌట్ నానా ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఇఫ్ ఆల్కీన్ వాస్ రియాక్టెడ్ విత్ ఆల్కాలిక్ KOH ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ బ్రోమిన్స్ ఉండాలి యాక్చువల్గా ఈ 1 బ్యూటైన్ రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ బ్రోమిన్స్ ఉండాలి నాన్న బ్రోమిన్ ఉండాలి టు గెట్ దిస్ 1 బ్యూటైన్ here this carbon should have in this manner if it is having first with this one and first with again this one, it will give you the but 19. Both bases E2A. కానీ నీకు 1 బ్యూటైన్ రావాలి అని అంటే 2 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ డిహైడ్రేషన్ రియాక్షన్ హాలోజనేషన్ రియాక్షన్ చేయాలి 2 టైమ్స్ చేయాలి నీకు 1 బ్యూటైన్ రావాలంటే 2 టైమ్స్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా నెక్స్ట్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి నాన్న వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ What is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Main product of the following reaction is. Main product of the following reaction is. Main product of the following reaction is. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి నాన్న ఆర్ యు దేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ Answer is 2. Good. Answer is 2. Good, Nana Joshita. Good. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Now next one. అదే ఇంతకుముందు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ ఇదే. హౌ టు ప్రిపేర్ ద బ్యూట్ 19. How to prepare the BUT 19. Now this is only to prepare the BUT 19, the BR should be in this manner. Now the answer is here. Direct question. 2 times of the dehydrohalogenation చేస్తే BUT 19 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి హైడ్రోజన్ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి హైడ్రోజన్ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో BUT 19. Here it is a BUT 19. నెక్స్ట్ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతా. యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే మీ హియర్ దిస్ ఈస్ a one substrate or one reactant they have given. Sir, this is one reactant they have given. They are asking which reagent is suitable to convert this following reactant into in this manner. In this manner, to convert this one, what are the following, which are the suitable reagents he is asking. Option A, sodium borohydride, suitable. Second one, hydrazine in the presence of base. Third one, zinc amalgam in the presence of HCl. Fourth one, sodium and liquid ammonia. Which reagent is best suitable to convert this following one into in this product? Which is a best suitable reagent? Which is the best suitable reagent? Hydrazine. Why not sodium borohydride? Why not sodium borohydride? Sodium borohydride also will why not sodium borohydride? Why not sodium borohydride? Alkene అయితే alkene తోనే ఏం పని అన్న మనకి. What is the need of the alkene? Sodium borohydride, this one it will be converted into the secondary alcohol. The best reagent here it will be the best reagent will be which one? It is hydrazine. Because if you take the zinc amalgam and the HCl will readily react with the OH. HCl will readily react with the OH and it is not the best suitable reagent. So the best suitable reagent is only the hydrazine. Okay, is it clear? Done? Now, next. Next one. Now I will write the one following one question I will write. Sir, NaOH alcohol ఇస్తుందా? ఆల్కహాల్ ఇస్తుందమ్మా. ఈ కీటోని కన్వర్ట్ చేసి సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇస్తుంది. లిథియం అల్యూమినియం హైడ్రేట్ సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇస్తుంది. దీన్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేసి సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇస్తుంది. అది ఇక్కడ ఆల్కహాల్ వస్తుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ మొత్తం ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు, ఆల్కేన్ చేయాలంటున్నాడు కదా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ విచ్ వన్, ఉల్ఫ్-కిష్నర్ రియేజెంట్. దిస్ ఈస్ క్లెమెన్సన్ రిడక్షన్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ సూటబుల్ రియేజెంట్. నాకు ఇంకొకటి చెప్పండి లాస్ట్. నేను ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ రాస్తా. నాన్న ఇది ఆర్బిటర్లీ రాసిన ఈ క్వశ్చన్. జస్ట్ దిస్ వన్ ఐ వాస్ రిటర్న్ ద ఆర్బిటర్లీ. ఓకే, నౌ హౌ మెనీ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ RgMx విల్ బి రియాక్ట్ విత్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ గివెన్ సబ్స్ట్రేట్. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన సబ్స్ట్రేట్ కి ఎన్ని మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ RgMx విల్ బి రియాక్ట్ అవుతుంది? ఎన్ని మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ RgMx విల్ బి రియాక్ట్? How many moles of RgMx will be react? 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 Any moles of RgMx will be react? Here 1, here 1, here 2, and here it is a 3. 3 moles of the RgMx will be reacted. Done. Then here let's suppose one alcohol if they are given and RgMx if they are given. Will this alcohol and the RgMx will it react? Will the alcohol and the RgMx will it react? Will the alcohol and the RgMx will it react? Will the alcohol and the RgMx will it react? Then what is the product we'll get here? What is the product we'll get here? What is the product we'll get it here? R and R? No. Here this is a more acidic. Here it will get the negative charge, it will get the positive charge. This will form the bond. RH. RH will get, not RR. This is R minus, right? How come this oxygen bond will break? This is acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen and this R minus will be react. Plus ROMgX. So MgOR and it is X. No, not RR. Not RR. అమ్మా మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నారు. గ్రిగ్నార్డ్ రియేజెంట్ ఆర్ఆర్ ఎట్లా అవుతుందమ్మా? ఇది OH. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఆర్కి ఇది O, ఇక్కడ H. ఏ బాండ్ తొందరగా బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది అంటే దిస్ బాండ్ విల్ బి బ్రోకెన్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్లీ. ఇది బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది తొందరగా, ఇది బ్రేక్ అవ్వదు. The bond between this R and the oxygen and the bond between this ఈ బాండ్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ ఆక్సిజన్ అండ్ ద H ఇది లెస్, ఇది వెరీ వీక్, ఇది వెరీ వీక్ అమ్మా, ఇది తొందరగా ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. సో యూ విల్ గెట్ ద RO మైనస్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ గ్రిగ్నార్ రియేజెంట్ R మైనస్ MgX. సో ఈ H ప్లస్ ఈ R it will react and it will give you the alkane and it will give the MgOR and X, MgOR and X. Okay na? You should be very careful. ఓకేనా? ఇంకొక లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతా. లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగి ఐ విల్ వైండ్ అప్. మిథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ CH triple bond CH. Which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? Among the 1 and 2, which is more acidic? Among the 1 and 2, which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? Among the 1 and 2. Among the one who are present in the live, try to give the answer. I will explain. Don't worry. I will explain. But which is more acidic? Among the 1 and 2, which is more acidic? 2 is more acidic than the 1. Percentage S character for 2, sir. See, listen. Here the CH3, its conjugate base will be CH3O minus, and this acid conjugate base will be CH, C triple bond, C minus. Now you can see here this carbon less electronegative than the oxygen. Here this is a more electronegative atom bearing the negative charge is more stable than the less electronegative atom bearing the negative charge. Here the plus I effect of this one is very less. Clear? Now you may think that here this is a plus I effect and it will increase its electron density so that its acidic strength will be decreased. But compared to this sp carbon, now this plus I, and here the carbon is holding the negative charge, here the oxygen is holding the negative charge, and this plus I is not dominating more that much effectively when the negative charge of the oxygen is holding. So this is very, very important and you have to be very clear with this one. Many of the cases you may think that due to this plus I, this is less acidic. Clear? This is, oh sorry, acidic is more this one. Sorry. This is more acidic. Sorry, methyl alcohol is more acidic. Methyl alcohol is more acidic than the acetylene because this is a more electronegative and this is more acidic. This conjugate base is more acidic because this oxygen bearing this negative charge is more effective than the carbon bearing the positive charge. Sir, carbon bearing the negative charge, less electronegative, oxygen bearing the negative charge. So methyl alcohol is more acidic than the acetylene. Is it clear? Is it clear for you, everyone? Any doubts? Done? Okay, Nana. Bye. Now the one who are present in the live, Now I hope you will give your best in your exam. Tomorrow's exam is very easy. Okay, it is very easy. The paper came from the some other branch, so the paper is very easy. I hope you will score more than 70-80. I hope that I am having that much confidence on you. Okay, Nana, bye. I was ending the class. Now see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye. Good night and see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.